In this video, I'll show you a Linktree affiliate marketing method, which is completely free. It works on autopilot, and you can get it all set up within 15 minutes after watching this video. So let's jump into it. Okay, so first, here's what you need to do. You need to first go to Linktree because this is a Linktree method. So go to Linktree and sign up for a free account in the top right hand corner. I'm not going to run you through how you can do that because it's very easy, but there is one thing that you need to bear in mind when you're creating your account, and that is going to be your username. So your username needs to be in like the giveaway make money online niche, because we're going to be promoting products and offers in the online business and giveaway niche, specifically the giveaway niche. So make your profile and URL based around a giveaway URL. For example, my Linktree is linktree.com/online cash money. I've already created my account and here is the dashboard. Now on the dashboard here, you've got links, appearances, analytics, and so on. The only two that we're going to touch here is we're going to add a link, which is going to be our CPA or affiliate link. We're also going to change the appearance so we can make it like a branded landing page. So here's what you first need to do. Now, because we're going to be creating kind of like a giveaway landing page, what you want to do is you want to go to Google and you want to search for giveaway logo and then go to images and then just find a giveaway logo that you can save, which you can use as your profile picture. Any of these are going to work. I'm just going to choose this one here. I'm just going to right click, save image as, and we're going to save that to the downloads. So that's downloading, and then we can go back to Linktree. We can go to appearance, and I'm just going to upload this as a profile picture. It's very simple. You go pick an image, upload your own image. I'm going to drag in this file, click upload, click save, and there you go. We've now got the giveaway icon at the top. So now we've got our icon. We might as well scroll down while we're here and choose a theme. For the free version, you aren't going to get a lot of themes. I like this lake white or the lake black, depending on your icon and how it looks like. This is decent, so we're going to run with that. Then we can go back to links and we can now add our affiliate link, CPA link, or whatever link that you're going to promote. I would recommend you choose a CPA link. So once you've got all your Linktree set up, you then want to go to cpagrip.com. Now, CPA Grip is a CPA marketing network that you can join for free, and you can get CPA links in different niches. So you can go to cpagrip.com and sign up for a free account. Now, I'm not going to run you through that because I want this tutorial to be quick and have a nice pace to it, but you can just go ahead and sign up for a free account. And once you've signed up, you then need to go to Offer Tools, My Offers, and here you can find your CPA link. Now, CPA is a great way to monetize when you're using Linktree, because with CPA offers, somebody doesn't have to buy anything after clicking on your link. They simply need to enter in a piece of information, which is most likely going to be their email. And I'll show you what I mean if you're not familiar with CPA offers. So you want to go to country and just change it to the United States. Then you should see all of these offers which pay out various amounts for different entries. So this one here, act now for a $750 PayPal gift card. This is a PayPal giveaway offer. And when someone enters in their email to enter this giveaway, you're going to be paid $2.05, as you can see here. Now I've got the offer up here. It says our latest batch of gift cards has just shipped out. See if you qualify. Do you have PayPal? Yes. How old are you? How many times do you use Facebook per week? So they're going to check your eligibility, and once your traffic enters in this field here and clicks continue, you're going to get paid $2.05. So you're not going to have to sell anything. You don't have to sell any product. You just need a name, a last name, and an email to get paid. Now, if we just notice here, I clicked on the desktop offer. There is an offer here which is the exact same, but it is a mobile offer, as you can see here. I recommend you promote the mobile offer because we'll get to the traffic source in a minute, but the traffic source, people are going to be browsing through it on mobile. So go ahead and grab the mobile offer, which is the $750 PayPal gift card offer. Copy that link, and then you want to go ahead and go to Linktree. Now you need to add that link to Linktree. Now when you go and add it, it might give you like an error message and say you can't add this link because it's a CPA link. You can see it here, access denied. To get around that, just open a new tab and just type in tinyurl.com. And that will take you to this page here where you can simply paste in your CPA link. You can then make that a tiny URL. And what that will do is it will mask your link into a shortened link. We'll just get rid of this here. So here is your shortened link, which will then redirect to your CPA link. So you can copy that to clipboard. You can then go back to Linktree. We'll delete this one. We'll add a new link, and we can now add our CPA link to Linktree. So give this a title, and the title I'm going to give is grab a $750 PayPal gift card now. And there you go, you've now got that offer added, grab a $750 PayPal gift card now. And when people click on that, it's going to then redirect them to this page here. And obviously when they give their name, their last name and email, you're going to get paid $2.05. Right, so now we need traffic to our page. So if we open up our page here, we can see a preview of it, online cash money, grab a $750 PayPal gift card now. So what you want to do is you want to go to our traffic source, which is going to be Twitter, and you need to create a tweet which essentially makes like a viral loop. And I'll show you what I mean. So you're going to create a giveaway style tweet, which tells people to do specific instructions, which is going to create like a snowball effect and a viral loop. The first thing you need to do before we even write the tweet is go ahead and create a catchy image, because Twitter's full of like media, images, videos. We need to catch people's attention, and to do that, we're going to go to canva.com and we're just going to get a giveaway image. So if you go to canva.com, you can search for giveaway, make sure you're on templates, then click see all. And they've got 17,000 giveaway templates, so just pick one, don't be too like fussy with it. So this one's fine, so we're going to click on it. We'll find one here which isn't premium, so this one is fine. Okay, so here is our giveaway. Now we're going to delete any of this unwanted stuff, so any of this unwanted text can be deleted. And this is fine for the video. You can go ahead and customize it or use these templates if you want to. But for the video, we're just going to keep it as it is. And then we're going to go to share in the top right, and I'm going to download it. Download. And that should then download to the computer. So here it is. So now we've got our image. We can now go back to Twitter. We can now craft our tweet, and we can now upload this image. Right, so there you got the file, and you can see it's eye-catching. It's going to work well on Twitter. Now, you can do this on your personal Twitter, or you can make like a free giveaway Twitter. It's up to you. The method's going to work the same. But anyway, once you've got the giveaway icon, you then need to write the tweet, which is going to send a viral loop. Here is the kind of style you want to write the tweet in. So I've put enter our $750 PayPal giveaway. Step number 1, retweet the tweet, like the tweet, and then enter at Linktree online biz help for a chance to win. What this is going to do is people are going to see it. They're going to first retweet the tweet, they're going to like it, and they're then going to enter. So they're going to retweet it to their followers, which means their followers are going to see it, and maybe 2 or 3 people out of their followers are going to see it. They're going to retweet, they're going to enter, and it's going to be a snowball effect. So you're going to have people retweeting your tweet every day when they see it new on their timeline, and you're going to get constant traffic entering your giveaway, which is going to earn you $2.05 for every entry. That's how you do it. That's been the method. Thank you for watching. Please do leave a like.